Hi everyone, in this video we are going to show you how a locksmith is coding a new Fobik key for a 2008 Chrysler Town Country. In the first part you can see how we extract the pin code from the coding machine, which is necessary to code all transponder keys and key fobs. In the second part you can see the coding procedure done. Please like this video and comment below if you have any questions. What was the make and model again?
Chrysler Town Country 08. We're programming a new fob.
New key, not fob.
Well, it's a Fobik.
Ah, it's a Fobik.
So we're going to read the pin code for the vehicle.
The machine does all that, right?
No.
Here is the fob. Hooked into the OBD of the vehicle.
Do you have a space for me? Yeah, I do.
Is this a new key or adding key?
It's a new key.
New key? Alright.
Trying to read the pin code. Takes about a minute.
We'll come back in a minute after we get the pin code. 1 minute. We got the pin code. Now we
Put it in the system.
7892 in this case.
Success.
We can beep.
Security light's going to turn off. And it's safe to start the car.
Let's take a look. And that's about it. That was a new key, right?
Yeah.
And lock and unlock also
doesn't
works. You're good to go. Town and Country 08. Thanks for watching.
Okay.